Travel sickness is very common. It changes the body functions which in turns to different problems. Motion sickness patients often suffer from vomiting, nausea, headache, dizziness, vertigo, diarrhea. Motion sickness can be treated completely with the help of homeopathic remedies. So today we will discuss about the 5 best homeopathic remedies to cure the travel sickness. Number 1. Petroleum. Works perfectly when vomiting occurs again and again while traveling along with the headache. So if you ate a lot of food and your stomach is filled up, then you may suffer from vomiting and nausea. In such conditions, petroleum homeopathic medicines can help you a lot. The second homeopathic medicine is calculus. It is very beneficial homeopathic medicine because calculus patients either travel by the car, bus or the train. Patients suffer from the nausea and vomiting. Then you can give the calculus to that patient. In this case, patient also feels a headache and dizziness. Number third is tobacco. In tobacco case, nausea is too much and in such situation, there might be a deathly nausea. The retching is extreme and the patient feels senselessness. The tobacco patients feel motion sickness during the sea journey. Such patients suffer from the tobacco smell too. The number 4 is Epicock. Epicock is one of the best homeopathic medicines for vomiting, nausea, motion sickness and stomach disorders. Number 5. Coca. Coca works best during the mountain sickness. It means that if someone travels on the mountains and feels motion sickness, then the patient also feels the dizziness, vomiting, nausea as a travel sickness signs on mountains and high altitudes. Then we can give the coca homeopathic remedy to treat the mountain sickness patient. Now you might be wondering that what is the best dose for the homeopathic medicines of the motion sickness patients? So you can use the homeopathic remedies in the 30 potency and you can give 5 drops in half cup of water 3 to 5 times a day. Elsewise you can use it in the tablet forms and either you can use the drops. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and do subscribe for the more videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.